Question number 8 of exercise 6.4 is a gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remain same. Find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. Once again, read the question, student. Gardener has total 1000 plants and he wants to plant in such a way that number of rows equals to number of columns, and find the minimum number of plants he needs more for this. It means for this particular arrangement how many plants he wants more. It means obviously 1000 is not a perfect square number, so we have to find a number which is a perfect square number and greater than 1000 and satisfy the situation also. It means number of rows will equals to number of columns. So how we will start our solution? First we will suppose let number of rows equals to x. So number of columns will also equals to x. Why? Because it is given that arrangement should be number of rows equals to number of columns. So number of columns will also x. Okay, and then what should be the arrangement is just like number of rows and number of columns. So number of rows into number of columns. When we multiply this number we will get 1000 because gardener has total 1000 plants. Okay, so the number of rows is your x, number of column is also x, which is equals to 1000. And as we know, when we multiply this x by x, we will get x square equal 1000. And when we shift this square from left hand side to right hand side, it will convert into square root. So now we will find the square root of 1000 by division method. For that we will make groups of 2 digits from the end digit, and your first group is your 10. Obviously we will take 3 3s are 9, then we will subtract, this will add, we will get 100. So student, now your addition is 6. Now we will multiply this 63 by 3. What we will get? 189. This number is very larger than 100. So now we will take 2, 2 2s are 4. Again this is greater than. Student, once again read the question. In this question, as we can see, if we multiply this 61 by 1, then in that case we will get 61. So 1000 is not a perfect square number. So we have to find here more plants which satisfy this arrangement, number of rows equals to number of columns. We want more plants. So more plants, we will use the same method as we use in question number 5 for addition. So we will use here the same method. And for addition, as we know, we want a number when we multiply this 6 and when we write at the right hand side of this number, and when we multiply by the same number, we will get the greater than number, this 100. So which number we will take? When we take 1 we will get 61, and when we take 2 then we will get 124. So which number we will take here? For addition method, yes, we will take larger number. So here we will take larger number 124, and then we will subtract this. Okay, obviously your subtraction will be 24. It means for this types of arrangement, number of rows equals to number of columns, the gardener wants 24 more plants. So how we can write here? Since here remainder is 24, okay, So gardener needs 24 more plants for such a arrangement in which number of rows will equals to number of columns. Okay student, so here just we have to use the same process as we used in addition. Question number 9 of this exercise is there are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Left out, it means in this question we will use which method? Which subtraction method as we solved in question number 4. Since in question number 8 we have to find more plants, so in that case we used your addition method, but in question number 9 we have to find left out children, so in here we will use your which method? Subtraction method. So how we will start our solution student? What is given here? Total number of children. Total children. There are total 500 children. Okay. And arrangement is just like number of rows equals to number of columns. So let number of rows equals to x. So number of column will equals to also x. Why? Because number of rows is equals to number of columns. Okay. So what we will get? X into x will equals to 500. Similarly we will solve. Then x square equals to 500. Then x, this square will shift into right hand side. It will convert into square root. Then now we will find this square root of 500 by long division method. For that we will make group of two digits from the end digit, and what we will get? Now your first group is here 5, so 2 2s are 4. We will add here 2 4. Subtraction will be 1. Next here is your 0 0. Now we will think which number we will multiply this. I am taking here 2 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. Now take 3. Let's check for 3 also. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So 129 is larger than 100. So which number we will take here? Since here we have to apply subtraction method, so which number we will take? We will take here 2. It means less number. Okay, plus 2, here 44, and subtraction will be your 16. So here your remainder is 16. So we will, since remainder is 16, so we will subtract 16 from this 500. Okay, so how many children would be left out in this arrangement? Yes, there are 16 children left out in this arrangement. Okay student, first read the question very carefully, as it is very clear that in question number 8 we had to find the more plants. For more plants we will use addition method, and in question number 9 we had to find left out children. Left out, it means we will use here subtraction method.